GDS Online Engagement Schedule 1, January 2025. Number of posts, 21,413. Online application submission. Start date, 10th February 2025. End date, 3rd March 2025. Website, https://indiapostgdsonline.gov.in. Process of GDS Online Recruitment. GDS shortlisted on the basis of SSC marks grade. No exam. No fee for female and caste category applicants, minor fee I.E 100 rupees for other applicants. Registration and application submission is online. Results are published on the website. Document verification details are sent on registered email and mobile number if shortlisted. Document verification of shortlisted candidates is done after declaration of results and as per the timeline scheduled. Preparatory work to be done before applying to GDS posts. Visit GDS Online Engagement website below and read the notification, FAQ and instructions carefully. Website link provided in description also. https://indiapostgdsonline.gov.in. You have to prepare with the following images of document in soft copy. 1. Recent passport size scanned photo, .jpg format and up to 50 kilobits. 2. Scan copy of signature, .jpg format and up to 20 kilobits. 3. Scan copy of 10th Standard Mark List Board Certificate. Local language, Maths and English is compulsory subject. 4. Scan copy of caste certificate, in central government, format as specified in notification, if applied for SC, ST, OBC, EWS category reserved posts. 5. Scan copy of PWD certificate issued by medical board if applied for PWD reserved posts. 6. Valid email ID. 7. Valid mobile number. Note: serial number 3, 4 and 5 were not made compulsory for upload in last recruitment. Candidates are advised to scan in good visibility and keep in soft copy, preferably below 200 kilobit size. Things to remember. As per previous orders, one registration is valid for 1 year, hence all have to do fresh registration. Candidates are advised to use the working mobile number and email ID as Department of Post is sending all communications on email and mobile. Communication of registration, selection, documents verifications etc. are being sent centrally to concerned candidates through email and SMS. Postal Department is not taking any responsibility of not receiving email, SMS due to wrong feeding of email and mobile details by the candidate. Knowledge of computer is essential. If you don't have any computer certificate, but have basic knowledge can apply for the GDS posts. Knowledge of cycling is essential. Adequate means of livelihood, some other source of income is required. This needs to be submitted after selection. Have to reside in the village area after selection. Candidates are advised to read the notification, FAQ and instructions section before registration and then apply with due care as after selection some candidates were rejected for small spelling mistakes in name, incorrect date of birth, incorrect SSC board marks, mismatch of data between physical certificate and application entered data, submission of fake certificates during document verification stage etc. Mandatory declaration checkbox of liable for legal police action for submission of incorrect data fake certificate is available before submission of application. This point needs to be noted while filling the online application. Important. If candidate came to know that some feed data is wrong, a special 3 days window, 6th March 2025 to 8th March 2025, will be given for correction after closing date of application. Note that only fully submitted application can be applicable for correction. Almost all fields can be editable except mobile, email ID and name. Candidate also lodge complaint ask queries by any below 3 ways. 1. By calling on helpdesk number provided in website. 2. Through email on helpdesk email ID provided in website. 3. Through GDS online portal, if facing some difficulties with the help of registration number mobile, procedure video is available in description section. GDS vacancies are reducing by schedules? Have a look to previous GDS vacancies recruitment. July 2023, 30041 posts. January 2024, not scheduled. July 2024, 44228 posts. January 2025, 21413 posts. That's why apply for selection as GDS as the unemployment is increasing. You can do another job work, not in same type work of India Post, study in free time as work of GDS is restricted for maximum 5 hours in a day. Stay with us for further information. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Visit http://gdsall.info for more information. Thank you.